Welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. I hope you have a wonderful day and you can enjoy this following video. In this video, I could build a windmill on a chessboard to eat up all the pieces of my opponent. Not all the pieces, but some. In this process, I missed a mate in two. I could win more quickly, but sometimes I see a nice plan, a nice strategy to win, and I follow this strategy. So I try not to figure out a new, quicker way. Maybe you experience the same thing in your own chess games. This game was part of the Englund Gambit, and my opponent tried to trick me. Maybe you can see it. He wanted to sacrifice his bishop and try to kill my queen with his queen, but I played knight to c3 to prevent this. Please write a comment which videos you would like to see more often. I try to post each week a new video, the most interesting games I played, new peaks, highest victories, bad losses, or just funny content. Imi wishes you all the best for your own life or your own chess game. Goodbye.